Hello everyone and welcome back to Forensic Solutions. In the previous videos, we have discussed about cyber forensic interview questions for how to prepare for cyber forensics interview. In today's video, we are going to discuss about various cyber security interview questions so that you can face various cyber security interviews. If you have not watched the previous video on cyber forensics interview question, do not worry, I will add the link in the description. Also, do not forget to subscribe our channel for watching amazing videos on cyber forensics and cyber security. So now, without wasting any time, we will right away jump on to the video where we will discuss about various cyber security questions and their answer. The very first question that is very frequently asked by various cyber security interviewers is what is the main objective of cyber security? So, the main objective of cyber security is to protect the data, that is protecting the systems such as servers, platforms, etc. containing data. So the next question is, how will you protect an organization from external attack? An organization can be protected by following all security best practices. This is the first one. Second, regularly performing security audit, performing audit of web applications and networks. Not only this, VAPT testing of web applications should be done yearly so as to detect vulnerabilities and patch them time to time. Next important question is difference between IDS and IPS. So IDS stands for intrusion detection technique. The function of IDS is to inspect the inbound and outbound network traffic for suspicious patterns. On the other side, IPS stands for intrusion prevention technique. Function of IPS is to monitor the network and not only detecting the intrusions but also preventing them. So, unlike IDS, which is passive, IPS actively analyzes the network and automatically takes the decisions on the traffic that is entering into the. Then the next important question is, what is three-way handshake? So, the three-way handshake is a process of building a reliable connection between the client and server. To build this connection, exchange of flags SYN, ACK, SYN-ACK is done in 3 steps and therefore the process is called as three-way handshake. Next question is, what is VAPT? VAPT stands for Vulnerability Analysis and Penetration Testing. It consists of security assessments which are to be performed to find vulnerabilities in web application, network and servers so that those can be exposed to the organizations so that the organizations can then patch those vulnerabilities so that no one can exploit the web application, network or servers through those vulnerabilities. Next question is, what is a brute force attack? A brute force attack is a hacking method that uses trial and error to crack passwords, login credentials and encryption keys. It is a simple yet reliable tactic for gaining unauthorized access to individual accounts and organizations, systems and networks. What do you understand by risk, vulnerability and threat in network? In cybersecurity, risk is the potential for loss, damage or destruction of assets or data. Threat is a negative event such as the exploit of a vulnerability, and a vulnerability is a weakness that exposes you to threats and therefore increases the likelihood of a negative event. The next question is, explain any 3 attacks. So we can take any of the attacks. Suppose for example, I will tell you about phishing attack. So phishing attack is the practice of sending fraudulent communications that appear to come from reputable source, usually through the email. The goal is to steal sensitive data like credit card and login information or to install malware on the victim's machine. So accordingly, you can choose your attacks and you can describe in this manner. The next question is, do you know which was the recent cyber attack? So this is very much commonly asked by various interviewers so that they can check your recent knowledge, how much you are updated. So you have to be aware about various recent cyber attacks so that you can tell one of them. The next question is, explain about ransomware attack. So the ransomware attack is a type of malicious software that threatens to publish or blocks access to a data or a computer system, usually by encrypting it until the victim pays a ransom fee to the attacker. In many cases, the ransom demand comes with a deadline. Which tools you use to perform VAPT? Bubsuit, Nmap, Wireshark and Metasploit are various tools that are used for performing VAPT. Bubsuit for penetration testing of web applications, Nmap for network scanning, Wireshark for analyzing network traffic and Metasploit for performing exploits. So the next question is, what is SQL injection and what are its preventions? SQL injection is a type of an injection attack that makes it possible to execute malicious SQL statements. These statements control a database server behind a web application and retrieve the content of the entire SQL database. SQL injection can be used to add, modify and delete records in the database. The only way to prevent SQL injection attacks is input validation and parameterized queries, including prepared statements. So this was all about the cybersecurity interview questions. Hope you guys have liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Do comment down for any queries. Thank you.